Hello, hello, hello. Do I have to sign?
No, I can't let you touch my board because of COVID.
Oh, because of
I
COVID.
just had
Well,
to make sure somebody got it.
but you. From my friends, my one friend up at Poster Fix.
Hey, don't stab it.
Just get I'm just popping the plastic on it. You can see it is like a little area under there. So I'm just trying to pop the get it.
If you get it open.
Oh wait, I know I don't want to. Here, let's go into the light. That's good.
Yeah, for real.
All right. If you stand that way,
Yeah, I'm gonna get.
I won't get a shadow. There we go. Oh, good view. Okay. Take a look. Let's get that. Let's get that there. To me. I know. It's I get something. Another sharp thing. Hold on.
But I got a good shot of you. It's just the couch and you.
Okay.
It's like a kid on Christmas. Be careful now.
It looks like it's double sealed. I'm seeing another layer. There's a plastic thing on top here. Look, see?
Yeah.
You got another. So I can pretty much hack at this now. All right, hack it at this to get it off.
He's almost there, ladies and gentlemen.
Get that back. Let's see.
Oh.
Ancient mists. Oh, let's see. Okay, how classy are these guys? How classy are these guys? Wall Street Journal, thank you very much. Oh. Okay. Okay, linen backed. Okay. Oh.
Oh man.
A long time ago. In a galaxy far, far away. Look at this. Oh, nice. Oh, man. Oh, I'm just going to lay it on the bed. Let's lay it out flat here. It's got a linen backing now.
Yeah, don't lay it on the floor.
It's alright. It's not bad. Look at that.